Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today is a video about this hair. And well, it's not necessarily about this hair in particular, because this hair honestly I would not recommend, but it is about a 4x4 closure wig and how to slay and lay it, girl. Yes. Yeah, so I'm not gonna tell you where this hair is from because I just wouldn't recommend it. For one, it sheds, and I had to like a blunt cut it because it was like frayed and thin at the ends, and it sheds like ridiculously. So I really wouldn't recommend the hair. I mean, if you really want me to tell you where the hair is from, like you really want this hair, you can hit me up on Instagram. I'll tell you. You could like DM me and I'll tell you. But yeah. So yeah, I slayed this hair. I think although it's not the best hair, I feel like I slayed it. So if y'all want to see how I slayed it, keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you are notified every single time we drop a banger for y'all.
Hey y'all, so I started off here with my partial bald cap because this is a closure wig, so I'm only gonna put the stocking cap in the middle, and I'm just like, blow drying it after I sprayed it down with some holding spray, and I actually sewed around the perimeter as well so that the bald cap doesn't move and so that I didn't have to like spray the whole thing down. So yeah, I'm just cutting the rest of the bald cap off and we will continue with the install. Here I'm showing you guys that I am actually blow drying the inside of the wig because I did wet it, not wet it, wash it. So yeah, I was blow drying it, and then I applied a lace tint to the lace and blow dried that down as well so that it's nice and dry inside of the wig. So that it sticks better, and that it will actually last when I apply the adhesive. Here I'm just starting off using the hot comb so that I can move everything back and make it a little flat before I start to the actual gluing process. And I actually hold it down with my hand, as you can see, like kind of after I run the hot comb past it so that it's kind of gets flatter. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's all I'm doing here, preparing for the glue to be installed. So here I'm showing you that you could really do this wig glueless if you really wanted to, because it is a closure wig, so it's not like that much lace to worry about. And it lays pretty flat without, you know, putting on any adhesive. But of course I'm not gonna do that because I really just like my wigs glued down just for like security reasons, and I like how it looks better when it's glued down. But yeah, so I'm just using the Erica J adhesive and her skin guard. Oh yeah, but I forgot to clean my skin first, so I'm gonna clean that off with some Sea Breeze, and then I'm gonna apply the skin guard again, and then start with 3 layers of the adhesive. So here I'm just applying my 3 layers of the adhesive. I'm not going to show all 3 layers, but it's just the same. Wait for each layer to dry before you apply the next. And then it jumped to me actually applying the wig. So yeah, I just use a comb to like back comb it to really make sure that it's secure. And then I also use a blow dryer to help further the melt of the wig. So after I applied like the base of the glue, I'm actually going back in and applying glue to the spots that I missed. I think I did the same 3 layers for these, if not three, two, because sometimes I get lazy with this part, but yeah. So apply more glue to this part. Just be careful because sometimes a lot of glue comes out like right here. And yeah, you just need to wipe it off. But yeah. So here I'm just putting the hair up so that I can apply an elastic band to the lace so that it dries and that it lays as flat as possible. So I left this on maybe for like, I actually left it on for the duration of me doing my makeup. So that's probably at least 30 minutes, honestly. But I did loosen it after a while because it gets super, super tight. So I left that on, then I took it off, and I'm all, made up and everything. Yeah. I did wear this wig already, so it does already have like, the baby hairs in the area that I wanted to have it. I did eventually go back and pluck this wig some more, but actually, I don't think I originally plucked it, but I did go back eventually and plucked it and made the baby hairs a little thinner. And actually, I ended up chopping it off. So it's like a bob, a wavy bob now. But yeah, I might insert pictures, not really sure. Don't hold me down for that. But yeah, I'm using the Erica J hairspray, the Hold Me Down hairspray to swoop the baby hairs, just because not every day you have to use foam and mousse, because that also lifts up the wig. I keep saying sorry. That also doesn't make the wig last as long, I feel like. So I'm just using the hairspray to swoop my little baby hair. I'm not really that great at baby hair, but I got the job done. So now I'm really trying to get the top of this wig flat, because when I wore this wig before, I had an issue with this wig looking bulky, and I think it's because it's a closure wig. So I'm just really going with the hot comb, and some hairspray again to really make sure that it is as flat as possible. Just to get that frontal look, because frontals are pretty flat. Like you still have to do all this, but it doesn't take as much efforts for me, at least, to get it flat. Yeah, I'm also using the She's Bomb wax stick. I think that's what it's called, to also help to make it flat, and just to like add some shine, and make it look a little professional or whatever. So here I was clearly feeling myself. Like, I like the natural wave of this hair, although I do not recommend it. I do like the natural wave of this hair. The real reason why I really don't recommend the hair is because it sheds so much. Like, you can run your hands through it, and you can get like a whole clump of hair. Like, not a, like a clump, but like, like a huge glump, like a clump of hair. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's the reason why I really wouldn't recommend the hair, is because like the shedding is just unbearable, honestly. I mean, I dealt with it. Well, the first time I didn't wear it for that long, but I'm trying to deal with it again to see how, if it like gets better, but I doubt that it will get better. And so yeah, here I'm showing you guys like, I'm weighing out my options of cutting it short. So you already knew I was gonna cut it short because I was already trying. So I did end up cutting it short. I think that will help with the shedding. Maybe not, but I don't know. Yeah, I did actually end up cutting it short, maybe like to my chin, and I really like that look. So I kept it wavy, but then I cut it short.
Alright, so y'all see the final look. Tell me how I did. I think I slayed it, don't you? I feel like it just looks so natural, and it actually does not look like a closure wig. It looks bomb, if anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so that you are notified every single time we drop a banger for you guys. And just thank you so much for sticking with us if you have. And we just thank you. We just want to grow and get this thing going.